Hello students, welcome back in maths class. In previous videos, we have discussed about the number names and expanded form. In this video, we learn about the standard form. You know what is standard form? The short form of the expanded form of a number. Okay, it is given by the combining the face values of each digit at the correct place. Okay, or writing a number from its expanded form to a normal form. These are the expanded form. Okay, and you have to arrange these numbers in a standard form. These are the expanded form. Okay, and writing in a short form of the expanded form is called standard form. So how you write these expanded form in a standard form? Okay, how you arrange these numbers? First, look at this. These are the face values: 1, 3, 7, 5. These are the face values, and you have to combine the face values of each digit at the correct place. Okay, have you learned about the place value chart? In previous video, I have told you ones, tens, hundred, thousand, and 10,000. Okay, first write as this place value chart: ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000. Now put these values in this place value chart. Okay, which number is in ones place? Ones place में कौन सा number है? One. Okay, तो ones place के नीचे one रख देंगे. नाउ विच नंबर इन टेंथ प्लेस? देखो यहाँ पे टेंथ प्लेस में कोई नंबर नहीं दिख रहा है हमको, क्योंकि टेंथ प्लेस में एक जीरो होता है और एक जीरो वाला कोई भी नंबर आपको यहाँ पे नहीं दिख रहा है, तो हम उस टेंथ प्लेस में जीरो रख देंगे, क्योंकि टेंथ प्लेस का कोई नंबर नहीं है. ओके, नाउ दिस 300, इट इज इन हंड्रेड्स प्लेस. ओके, 3 इज इन हंड्रेड्स प्लेस, क्योंकि 3 के आगे 2 जीरो लगे हुए हैं, तो 3 को हम हंड्रेड्स प्लेस में रख देंगे. ओके, 7 7 के आगे 3 जीरो है, यानी कि 700 प्लेस, सॉरी, थाउजेंड प्लेस में, तो 7 को हम थाउजेंड प्लेस में रख देंगे. ओके, एंड 5 इज इन 10,000 प्लेस. 10,000 में 4 जीरो होते हैं, 5 के आगे 4 जीरो लगे हुए हैं, तो ये कौन सी प्लेस में है? 10,000 प्लेस में, तो इसको हम 5 लिख देंगे. नाउ व्हाट इज योर आंसर? 5, 7, 3, 0, 1. Okay, this is the standard form of this expanded form. Okay, ऊपर जो क्वेश्चन है वो expanded form में दिया हुआ है और इसका standard form होगा this. Okay, you have arranged these face values, okay, in correct places, and this is the standard form. Okay, understood? Now second, look at this second question. Okay, same you can do. First write here the place value chart: ones, tens, hundred, thousand, and 10,000. Okay, now place the values. Which number in ones place? Which number in ones place? 7. Which number in tens place? 3. Which number in hundreds place? There is no place value in hundreds place. Okay, now put this 7 in ones place. Okay, this 3 in tens place, and there is no number in hundreds place, then put here 0. Okay, and look at here, thousands place में भी कोई ज़ीरो है. ओके, तो हम यहाँ पे भी ज़ीरो रख देंगे. थाउजेंड प्लेस में भी कोई नंबर नहीं है, और 10,000 प्लेस में कौन सा नंबर है? 8, तो हम यहाँ पे लिख देंगे 8. तो हमारा स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म क्या हो जाएगा? 8, 0, 0, 3, 7. Okay, so these are the standard form. Understood? Now look at the third question. First we make the place value chart: 1, 10, 100, 1000. Okay, 10,000. Now which number in ones place? Which number in ones place? 8. Okay, write ones place 8. Which number in tens place? There is no number in tens place. 0. है ना? Put here 0. Now which number in hundreds place? 9. Okay, put here 9. Which number in thousands place? Again 9. And which number in 10,000 place? 2. Okay, so what is your standard form of this expanded form? 2 9 9 0 8. तो जहाँ पे जिस प्लेस वैल्यू चार्ट पे आपको कोई नंबर नहीं होता है उसकी जगह हम 0 रख देंगे. ओके, जैसे आपने देखा यहाँ पे 10th प्लेस में 0 था तो हमने 10th प्लेस में यहाँ पे 0 रख दिया. So this is the standard form. Okay, these are the standard form. Okay, next question is, okay, look at this question. What is in ones place? 6. In tens place 1. In hundreds place 2. In thousand place 4. And in 10,000 place 3. These are the phase values. Okay, you have to arrange these phase values in correct place. Okay, now ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000. So which one is ones place? 6. Okay, put here 6. In tens place 1. In hundreds place, 100 places 2. Okay, in thousands place 4. And in 10,000 place 3. So what is the standard form of this expanded form? 3 4 2 1 6. Okay, this is the standard form. Understood all of you? Okay, so the last one is ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000. Now arrange it. What is in ones place? 8. Okay, put here 8 in ones place. Now what is in tens place? There is no number in tens place. Put here 0. Okay, in look at here, in hundreds place there is no number. 0. In thousands place also there is 0. And in 10,000 place 6. So what is the standard form? 6 0 0 0 8. Okay, so these are the standard form. Okay, these are the standard form. You the questions are given in the expanded form and you have to arrange this expanded form in a standard form. Okay, understood all of you? Thank you.